One of the great ways to make a subject stand out in a photograph is through shallow depth of field. And in this example, I've lined up a few apples. I have it set to AV on the Canon 80D, and I have the Canon 70 to 200mm f2.8 lens on. And so it's a telephoto shot. I've lined up these apples, and I'm using it 2.8 for this example to show how it brings out the shallow depth of field. And to illustrate that point, I'll go the other extreme. So to further illustrate the point, I'll put it at the other extremity, which is f32 on this particular lens, and we'll take a shot. And I'll put the two examples up and see how the shallow depth of field narrows that focus in on, brings the eye to that one apple. Shallow depth of field is a fantastic technique to bring the viewer's eye to a particular area of a photograph. And you can get some beautiful background blur going on as well. Examples of things you can use it for: portraiture. You can get some lovely thing isolating the subject out, beautiful blurred background, or even just isolating that background out, which can be troublesome depending on the situation that you're in. It's a great technique for portraits, great technique for landscapes as well. A landscape doesn't always have to be sharp from the front to the back. You can be isolating and focusing on a particular tree or rocks or aspect, bring the viewer's eye by using shallow depth of field. It's a very simple technique, but a very, very powerful technique. So experiment with shallow depth of field. Have fun with your photography. I'll leave a link in the description there for you for the free download. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.